Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder posts in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com, and this is the WordPress interface you're going to see. Over here on the left hand side, you can see the in option that says all post option. Click on the all post option. Here you can see all of your posts, and when you are simply putting your mouse on the post, you can see there is an option called quick edit. Click on quick edit, and over here you can see the date option of the post. If you simply change the date option over here, as you can see, I'm setting it to 5th April. Over here, just simply changing the date, then the post will appear on top like it was uploaded like recently, or it was uploaded way before or old. And make sure that after you update these dates, you click on update, and your post date will be updated, so your whole post section will be reordered by according to your choices. If you want it to be a more recent post, then just upload it to a more recent date, and if you want it to be below the recent post, then just update the date to an older date. And after doing all that, make sure that you click on the update button over here to make sure your changes are saved. So that is how you reorder post in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.